Impressive, master. Up, here, here. Piece of cake. I too can flip. Haha. Wait, slow down. Some of us aren't quite so young.
You're this ninja doing all this. Nice. Next.
Nope, again with the running. Fine. Have I surprised you, young one? Wait.
All right, full
I'm
speed.
ready. Not to criticize your teaching, but isn't this a dead end, master? Well, this will linger.
Really thought I was gonna jump, huh? Gotcha.
You have tricked me.
Oh my gosh.
Well played, young master.
Making a sturdy boat as it could be. I don't know.
Needs to be more.
Lots of fans there to sail the seas.
Why are you not letting me connect it, you stupid thing? Sorry. Little myth there. Just trying to
Are you
make...
trying to make a sail out of wood?
I'm not trying to make a sail out of wood. I'm trying to make a thing.
Are you trying to make Noah's Ark?
No.
2 hours later.
Why does it have a box in it?
I'm trying to protect myself from Octorok. Does no one listen to me?
Oh, from Octorok.
Right.
A few moments later.
There we go. We got our little boat. See, this is mostly Octorok proof, sort of.
Eventually.
I don't appreciate that.
Thank you, just 22.
Take it back.
All of your boats. Oh, I can't even read this. All of your builds come out, Luke, looking like something from the Little Rascals. LOL 81% of the time. Oh yeah, when the children try to put stuff together with sticks.
6.5 hours later.
There was an elf, his name is Link. He sailed across the sea.
Oops.
He built a boat that didn't float, and that's why he drowned in the sea.
What? It'll float fine.
He had a girlfriend named Zelda. She threw out all his stuff.
Wow.
He made a boat. Octoroks wouldn't hit him in the face.
The boat is fine. It
1
works.
eternity later.
It floats fine.
I
Oh.
love your boat, says Lisa. Alright, see ya, Alex. You're wondering, you're under the water. How much you want to bet it will not float, this flame hut? Well, I mean, it's floating in a way. Oh, your head is above the water, so it's completely fine. You're in a submarine.
I hate you guys.
You're in a submarine? You made a submarine? Whoa!
I hate you all so much.
This is amazing.
All right, let's go. We get to fight Chun-Li.
Let's go! Let's do this!
Ow.
Get him, Chun-Li!
But you're supposed to be rooting for me.
Oh! Get him, Chun-Li!
Hey, that's not rooting for me.
Get him, Chun-Li!
You're really bad at this. Ow. Okay, that was kind of cool. Ah!
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about! Let's go, Chun-Li! Where are you?
I'm attacking Stormtroopers, or excuse me, Sand Troopers. I just stole all their money. That was fun. Where are you, actually?
Well, you know what? We can't really bring our droids in with us to the bar because, you know, they don't serve their kind.
Are you chasing me at one of those? What is going
I'll
on?
have to sit outside.
That was crazy.
This is so cool.
Does it make the noise?
Oh, I can shoot people from here. This is amazing. This is how a princess should ride.
There's a bear!
There's a bear in
Nobody
the
else sees
audience.
the bear in the audience?
There's a real bear in the audience.
What in the world?
I mean, I'm more worried about the bear than, like, winning this fight. You win the fight, the bear comes after you. Oh my
What
god.
happens if you win the fight? Does the bear give you a hug? Reinforce your stuff?
Where are these people not worried about the bear right next to them?
In exchange for 4 lights of blessing, I will amplify your being. Tell me, what do you seek most?
Never mind.
Uh-huh. Well, go and bring peace to Hyrule, I guess. No, please! Let's think about this! Oh!
Oh wow, that was painful.
No, I'm already dead! Please! Oh! Oh no, you again! Stay away from me! Oh!
Give me the heart.
Oh! I'll give you anything you want. Just please leave me. Let me go.
Ooh, heart blessing. I think you should hold this for me.
No, please, I'm fine. No, I don't even know what this does.
We're gonna find out together.
No, please, Harold! No!
Uh-oh.
I would rather listen to Miles Morales reading than Mary Jane from this universe.
Oh my gosh.
I would listen to Miles, then I would listen to J. Jonah Jameson reading stories.
J. Jonah Jameson reads to sick kids in a hospital. I want that as a side mission. I want to see that.
Yeah. Then Prancer comes on the roof, and
It was a menace! It was a stupid reindeer menace! Kids, don't be a menace. Jared! Change the book! Hire the author! Actually, skip that. I'll rewrite it myself. The reindeer was a menace. That's why I wasn't allowed to have any reindeer games. The end! Okay, now go to sleep.
oh,
Quiet or Santa will come. It's a beautiful day.
I have
It
to get
is.
back to Jakku. I need a ship.
Let's get back to Jakku.
Beep, beep, beep,
I'm
beep,
gonna need
beep.
to get you up there first, BB-8.
No, I wanted to
No,
pick this.
beep, beep, beep.
I wanted to pick this flower for you.
And I want to blast you. Where are you? Am I even hitting you? Man, I have Stormtrooper aim today. Look, I was right there in front of you, and I can't even shoot you. Oh.
Maybe you can't shoot me because I'm so cute and small.
What just happened? Where's Chung-Li? Dude, you're so big, you can't even see Chung-Li.
Why are you making a weird...
I don't know what he's doing, he's
What
a
kind of-
weirdo.
What kind of face are you making?
I don't know.
Are you pretending you want to kiss her? You're making a kissy face. What kind of expression is that?
I don't know.
Why are you making this expression?
I don't know what he's doing.
I have a thermal detonator.
No, I
And
don't.
you have one. And you.
I don't want one.
You in the green shirt. Catch. Good
Oh my
catch.
gosh, you just destroyed a person that's our fan in a green shirt.
That was a lurker. It's fine.
What? We love them. What? No, we love our lurkers. They deserve. K-Wing, lurkers are people too.
They are? Thermal detonator!
Why do you fight? Why do you seek strength?
I feel like if Gumby entered the World Martial Arts Tournament.
If someone asks those questions, we have the answers, right? We fight for what we believe in. Heed our advice, your quest ends here. Against my unwavering conviction, your defeat is I love how he's so serious talking to a mascot character. Will you fight regardless? Yay, we won the whole thing! Let's go!
Aroo! Aroo!
Know what this intelligence is?
That information is need to know.
Do I need to know?
You? No.
I already know. How do I know?
No, I said you know.
I don't think I do know.
No, not
Oh
you
my
know.
gosh.
You know. You don't need to know.
I'm really confused. Can I go now?
You know.
Wow.
That sounds like a conversation you and I had earlier.
I'm dying.
Oh. So now it all comes back to me.
Hey, is that a real laugh?
Yes. My heart is remembering how to feel.
Really? That's good.
Well, time to die now.
And now I am on the cusp of reclaiming my identity, my purpose for being.
Nobody cares.
Thanks to you, Sora.
And you have His Majesty's answer.
Oh, facepalm.
Face palming was cool, even if.
That's one way to use magic. Are you gonna share? He's like, I can't use magic like that. Can I jump on that? Yeah! No!
Oh, you burned
Wait,
alive.
not yet. Well, I mean, that's what happens to him at the end of Return of the
Oh.
King. He dives into the fires of Mordor.
Whoa! Oops. Oops, that could be bad. I don't need to do that.
Why did you want to play this again?
It was because I wanted to be Brad, Luke! It's the ultimate gamer challenge. You want to be challenged in the best way possible. You beat Ninja Gaiden, the NES. Why don't you want to play this game? It's pretty much the same kind of challenge. Wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
I think you should actually press the buttons that is going to move the bread.
Alright. I have glass.
Oh,
Pretty sure there are glass shards in the bread.
wow, that's
No matter.
not going to be a very tasty.
No matter. It's fine, I'm feeding this to you
Yeah.
afterwards.
Edibility of the bread. You got it covered in glass.
Wait, it has to be edible?
Oh my gosh.
Oh wait, I might have to start over.
Oh, this is bad. This is already very bad.
Wait, if I'm on the ground, it's not edible anymore?
5-second rule.
5 seconds?
You've been on the ground too long. You
Wait,
are.
this is harder than I thought.
You're getting all moldy and gross. Oh.
I just cleaned the floor.
Oh.
It's so clean you can eat off of it.
No.
The floor is
No.
so clean, Luke.
Dead.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Father?
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry, Your Grace, but that won't be possible.
They took the bird down.
You honor the snakes!
Stay back! I'm warning you!
Run, Joshua, run!
A few people
Oh my
walking away
gosh.
get smashed by him.
Oh, these guys can't catch a break.
Wow. Their whole castle's gonna be destroyed. How are they gonna rebuild that?
That's not the same castle from the beginning. This was the castle of the Phoenix, the gate of the Phoenix. Dang. Little man, break the glass! Don't understand. No. No! Don't kill me! I just figured it out! Stupid! Curse you, Lex! Oh, that's so cute!
Puppy.
Dang it! I didn't get a picture in time. Shoot!
That would have been a great picture, Luke.
Might have gotten it. Or,
Okay. Now where have you been?
Oh wow, she doesn't seem interested in you at all.
Yep, she's not,
Luke, yeah, Link's thinking about it. She's like, well, Zelda's in here now. If you can't be with the one you love, love the one you're with, as they say. At this point, you've gathered the 5 stages together and return. All we have to do now is locate the Demon King. Let me gather my thoughts here. Where are your clothes? You have a lot of people who look up to you, so while I appreciate you exercising your freedom, maybe show a little restraint.